Augustine of Hippo, De Magistro, Episode 1. De Magistro is a dialogue between Augustine and his son Adeodatus. It was written sometime around 388. Augustinus, quid tibi videmur efficere velle cum loquimur? Adeodatus, quantum quidem mihi nunc occurret, aut docere aut discere. Augustinus, unum horum video et assentior, nam loquendo nos docere velle manifestum est, discere autem quomodo. Adeodatus, quotundum censes, nisi cum interrogamus. The dialogue begins with Augustine asking a question. What do we seem, from your perspective, to wish to accomplish efficere velle, cum loquimur, when we speak? Tibi is masculine singular, dative of reference. Videmur is first plural, present indicative passive. What do we seem to want, velle, to accomplish? From your perspective, dative of reference, cum loquimur, when we speak. Adeodatus answers, quantum, so far as now it occurs to me, we might say more idiomatically, my position at the present moment is, as much as now it falls to me, in fact, quidem, mihi masculine singular, dative of indirect object, objectum obliquum, and occurret is a third singular from the verb occuro, the third conjugation verb occuro, occurrere, like so. He says, to the extent that it seems to me now, or so far as occurs to me now, aut docere, aut discere, we wish to accomplish, aut docere, either teaching or learning, aut discere. Then Augustine says, one of these I see, that is, I understand or perceive, and I agree, assentior. Unum is neuter, singular, and accusative. Its antecedent is docere, and discere, or rather docere in particular. Infinitives are nouns, and as nouns, when they take pronouns, or when they are modified, they are always modified or replaced by a neuter. That's why unum is neuter, singular, and accusative. Horum is neuter, plural, and genitive. So one of these two, that is, docere, I see and I agree with you. For, by speaking loquendo, it is obvious, manifestum est, we want, nos velle, to teach. Loquendo is a gerund in the neuter singular and ablative. For by speaking, it is clear, it's obvious, we want to teach. But learning, quomodo, how is that? Adeodatus then answers his father's question with a question of his own. How, in the final analysis, do you think, and then discere is implicit, how do you think we learn except when we ask questions, if not when we ask questions? Interrogamus here is indicative, as is loquimur with the cum up here. So cum plus an indicative is a temporal meaning.